AEF started out as Bell Avon as a joint venture between Bell Avon and Avon Rubber PLC. We were founded here in Picayune, Mississippi to build the hovercraft skirts for the Navy's LCAC. The reason we located it here in Picayune, Mississippi is because of the close proximity to Textron facility that was building the actual hovercraft LCAC hull. So the hovercraft skirt is a part of the hovercraft LCAC that actually gives the craft its lift. When it's inflated with air, that's what actually gives the hovercraft its lift. In addition to building the hovercraft skirts, we also build fuel and water bladders, and we build them from 1,000 gallons to 210,000 gallons. I first met Tony Cambas at a trade show down on the coast. He stopped by our booth to introduce himself, told us of all the stuff that he could help us with, introduced us to the SBDC. Any contact is a good contact when you're trying to grow your business. So I held on to that card, brought it back with me, and within about 2 months, I think I had reached out to him for some assistance on a project that we were working on.
SBDC was essential to us building our network of where we are now. Our knowledge was limited when it comes to exports. He provided us with resources and constant knowledge and information regarding exports, regarding standards, proper procedures, proper vetting processes. Since we've started working with Mr. Cambas, our exports have expanded dramatically. We were going from selling a few components to close to $1 million in exports. It's made a tremendous impact on our company and has helped us expand our capabilities and promote our essentially Mississippi-made products all over the world.
Hello, my name is Anthony or Tony Cambas. I'm statewide manager of international trade with the RISE Center at Ole Miss, which is part of the Mississippi Small Business Development Center network. To me, it was, to be cliche, a no-brainer that AEF had a lot of international markets available to them for the products.
Tony was very helpful at helping us identify which countries we could actually legitimately do business with, just due to the fact that some might not be legitimate because of ITAR restrictions, export trade controls, things like that we had no knowledge of.
But what I always try to do with every client that we serve is to build their own capacity and to transfer knowledge, but that knowledge then can be incorporated into a company's own process and procedures. And so in the case, there's so many moving pieces to this, you can't learn this in a textbook. So it's actually in long calls a lot with Thomas, maybe hours at a time, right? Like walking through doing the whole process together. For any small business in Mississippi, exporting goods and services is not out of your reach. When I've had a chance to work with both of them, I've hopefully planted seeds. There's export controls, there's lists to check, but planting the seed of you all have strong international market potential. Let's help you pursue that strategically.
I would definitely advise Mississippi companies, especially small businesses, to reach out to the SBDC.